Last year, in a bid to transform the city's infrastructure, Kampala Capital City Authority announced a groundbreaking initiative to emulate potholes by mid-January 2024. The commitment came on the heels of a substantial financial boost, with the African Development Bank allocating a total sum of $288 million to the government for comprehensive road construction and rehabilitation. Recently, the Parliament provided funding for KCCA to repair the potholes in Kampala. Nevertheless, State Minister for Kampala, Honorable Chofa Togabye Kabuye, came out to express concerns that the allocated funds were inadequate.
Next year with the current budget, please, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, because they gave me 43 billion. When you look at it and you start itemizing things off, I remain with about 13 billion. To do road rehabilitation, drainages are there, and other things. Sweepers are they want money. So this is the moment where we need really to close our eyes and also to be open to each other. You give me 13 billion to do roads, it's okay. I'll do about 2 kilometers and I keep quiet. So please prepare. If you had this, that was just introduction.
According to Simon Kasiate, the KCCA spokesperson, Kampala total network spans 2,110 kilometers, with less than 700 kilometers being tarmac.
More than 50% of those roads are way past 30 years of age. They haven't had a refill or major maintenance on them in over 30 years. And by all standards, that is way past their sell-by date.
In addition, Kasiate highlighted that although several projects are currently underway and the government of Uganda has taken steps to address the issue, a significant amount of additional investment is necessary to improve the roads. He also called upon the citizens to appreciate the process that has been achieved so far.
Because we see cases of wanton denigration of our physical infrastructure where cyclists are riding with their stand on the road and creating sparks on the road as part of their fun making. We see people turning sidewalks into garages and hence breaking up what should be pedestrian walkways. We see deliberate desecration of our physical infrastructure by ordinary people, including unwanted littering, which then clogs drainage channels, and as a result we get stagnation of water, which eventually leads to the breakdown of physical infrastructure. So it's a whole value chain of responsibility.
He also commented on the payments of the community casual workers under their circle and 7 Hills.
Those colleagues of ours, yes, we had a challenge in terms of having enough resources to pay them, but the process of paying their arrears did begin in earnest, and I can comfortably say without a fear of contradiction that that is a process that is ongoing, and majority of those colleagues of ours have actually received some payment. A lot more, of course, still remains yet to be covered, and that's our commitment as KCCA, working together with the government. If they provide us with the right financing, we obviously shall prioritize their payments.
In addition, with regards to the yellow fever vaccination, he stated that KCCA is working in conjunction with the Ministry of Health to ensure that the individuals between 9 months to 60 months would receive the vaccination. This is specifically significant as Kampala, their place of residence, is deemed unsafe.